Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you students? Hope you are all fine and safe. Welcome to online computer class of pre-first year. As it is my first lecture with you people, so I want to introduce myself. I am Miss Sabah Fayaz, teaching as subject specialist in AES and SCAF. Okay, now moving towards today's lecture, which is the topic of chapter number 1, Basics of Information Technology. As we are living in the information age of global village, information is a key factor in this era. Everything evolves around it, whether it is education, medicine, history, sports, any kind of research or business. Today's lecture includes some important contents like Introduction to Computer Science, Data and Information, Definition of IT, Global Village, Modern Scenarios. At the end of today's lecture, we will be able to know about data and information. We are able to define IT, and we have discussed some global village and modern scenarios. Next slide is Introduction of Computer Studies. So firstly, some questions arises in my mind. Why do we choose computer studies, and why do you people choose computer subject, and what is your aim of your life? Whenever we meet inshallah soon, then you would come with answer of my question. Say inshallah. Yes, inshallah. Then next question is, what is the scope of computer studies? Here I want to tell you the scope of computer studies. You can see that computer is everywhere. Current example is, I am using computer to make online lectures, and you are using computer to learning computer concepts. It is very strong and appropriate example which explains scope of computer. As you can see in the figure, computer can be used in different fields like agriculture, space travel, health, research, education, medicine, sports, online banking. I usually use online banking, online shopping. Today as situation is going, everyone is using online shopping, entertainment and many more. Entertainment is also very important because we are at home and we want to watch some movies or play some games, then computer can be used in these kind of fields. Now moving to next slide, which is data and information. Data and information are the basic terminologies of information technology. Data definition of data is raw facts and figure which has no clear meaning is known as data. Data is unprocessed and used to make information. For example, if I say a number 78, then what does it mean? It has no clear meaning. And if I say a name Rida, then what does it mean? Rida also has no clear meaning. What is information? The processed data is known as information. If we processed a data, then it becomes an information. Then information has some clear meaning. For example, if I say 78 is the total marks obtained by a student named Rida in different 3 subjects, then it has clear meaning that 78 and Rida now processed and become information that 78 is the total marks which is obtained by Rida. Now you people understood what is data and information. We can also understand data and information by this process. Data after processing becomes information. This process is known as computing. We can define computing as data after processing is information. The conversion of data into information is known as data processing. Next, difference between data and information. Very important question. What is data and information? We have now clear understanding about data and information. Now the difference is data is raw and unorganized fact that requires to be processed to make it meaningful. Information is a set of data which is processed in a meaningful way according to the given requirement. Data is meaningless term, information is meaningful term. Next, data is unprocessed, information is processed form of data. Data depends upon source for collecting data. Basically, data is independent quantity or term and information is dependent quantity or term. Information depends upon data. Data contains number, statements or characters in a raw form. But information includes data that process context, relevance and purpose. It also involves manipulation of raw data. Manipulation means processing of raw data. As far as the importance of this question is concerned, this is very important question. Appear as short question or a difference form. Especially difference is very important. Now moving towards next slide, which is the definition of IT. Information technology, IT, is the technology that merges computing with high speed communication links carrying data in the form of text, sound, image and videos from one place to another place. In simple words, IT is a combination of hardware and software. We will discuss these topics in next lecture inshallah. Now moving towards next slide, which is global village. With the advent of communication technology, our globe has become virtually one community area. As people sitting in the drawing room sharing information with each other, we can also share information with each other by using information technology. We can say that due to information technology, our globe become a global village, as we can easily talk to our relatives who are living abroad or in other cities. We can easily share our information, our pictures with them by using Skype, any messenger. So our globe has become a global village. Okay, next, modern scenarios. The impact of information technology has extended the scope of computing and communication through satellite, fiber optics, mobile phones, fax machine. Modern scenarios are very important. Here we discuss all scenarios in detail. We need to understand all these scenarios. Computer users use computer in different fields like artificial intelligence, web-based applications, e-commerce, m-commerce, computer animation, multimedia, hypermedia and numerous fields of computer applications are there. Here we need to understand all these scenarios in detail. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence like touch mobile. Touch mobiles are the example of artificial intelligence. Touch laptops are also the example of artificial intelligence. Next point is web-based application. We are, as a computer user, usually use many websites for online shopping, for online banking or any other entertainment. These are all web-based applications. If we are using Uphone website or a PTCL website or just like a Zoom, these are all web-based application. Next point is e-commerce. E stands for electronic. Here e-commerce means electronic commerce. Means Electronic commerce means business through computer. Next is M-commerce. M stands for mobile. It means M-commerce is a business through mobile phone. Next point is computer animation. All movies, cartoon movies are made by using computer animation. Animation means movement of objects. So computer animation means moving objects. All cartoons and movies are the example of computer animation. Next point is multimedia and hypermedia. If we want to display our information using any slide, just like me, I am using PowerPoint and making some slides to present you. I am using a multimedia, and hypermedia and other fields of computer applications are there. Next, at the end, I want just quick overview of today's lecture. We have learned today the uses of computer, just like in education, medicine, sports. We have learned about data and information and their differences. What is data? Recall, data is raw facts and figure. And what is information? Information is processed data. Major difference between data and information is data is meaningless and information is meaningful. Data is independent terms and information is dependent term. The data after processing becomes information, which is known as computing. Next, we have learned about definition of IT. Basically, IT is the combination of hardware, software and communication links. We will discuss in detail what is hardware and software in our upcoming lectures, inshallah. Next is what is global village. As I gave you example that we can easily talk with our relatives, with our friends who are living abroad or in other cities. This scenario is known as global village. Our globe has become a global village due to information technology. At the end, we had discussed some modern scenarios just like artificial intelligence, multimedia, hypermedia, e-commerce, M-commerce and web-based application. I hope today's lectures are very interesting and easy to understand. You can learn them easily. You have to learn all these concepts. Try to learn all definitions and differences of data and information. Modern scenarios have great impact. They may appear as short questions. I hope you enjoyed today's lecture. Thank you so much. Jazakallah. One thing, take care of yourself and your family. Fi amanillah.